Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, May 27th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDS Outfitters Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Congratulations, 5th grade. What an amazing graduation ceremony you had. Thank you all for attending and for an amazing job that you did and for all your hard work for the past few years. Thank you, and thank you. Remember, scholars, tell your parents today, anyone who has not turned in their technology, that means your laptop, your tablet, your stylus, your charger, your cover, or any MiFis that are out there that we've loaned out, need to be turned in today from 4 to 6 here at the Academy building. So pull into the parking lot, park, get out, and come over and turn it in. We'll be sitting outside waiting for you. We can't wait to see all your faces. Also, we're going to have additional stuff you can pick up. Book bundles you can buy, or we're also going to have some additional workbooks that if you would like some extra workbooks, you could definitely use those workbooks just to practice during the summer. All right, scholars, it's going to be an amazing day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!